Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete your comments on Instagram. So for this you will have to open firstly Instagram app on the Android device. So here you can go on the right bottom of profile icon. So here you can go to the settings and you will see your activity. So from here you can see, so there is the second option is comments. So you will have to just click to the comments. So there are all history of your comments. So here you can select the on the top right corner and you will select one by one or select it all from here, so you can delete it easily. So I will just see, there is random comment, I selected and deleted, so it will be deleted easily. It's very easy and simple formula. You will see you deleted. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.